I'd like to address something very quickly, because often when we are talking about goal setting and when I ask people I work with, okay, so what's your goal? Like, what are you working toward? What is your desire? What is your life's purpose? And so on. Many times I get an answer that includes a no, or like something negative, like I don't want to live this way anymore. I don't want to be talked to this way. I don't want to live here anymore. I don't want this job anymore. I don't want to be so doubtful or jealous anymore. I was like, okay, good start, but it still has not answered my question, because I didn't ask what you didn't want, I asked you what you wanted. And why is that important? Because wherever the focus goes, energy goes. And just because we say the word no, it still focuses on the lack of something. So as long as we are focused on the lack of it, we can't build anything. You can't build anything from nothing. You can only create more nothing. So what is it that you want? Find substance, find something positive, and it will cancel out the lack of it, right? So if I want people to be nicer to me, then it instantly cancels out that people are not nice to me, right? Or if I want to move to a new place, then it instantly cancels out that I don't want to live here anymore. It's the same thing, it's the same result, but it carries very different vibration. It has a very different energy. So it's important to first know which way we are going. Otherwise, the GPS needs directions too. Like, at least it needs a start point and an end point, and there are a million ways to get from A to B, and there should be, because we are here for the journey and we love the ride and we learn a lot along the way. But we do have to have a starting point, and we do have to have some sort of idea of where the destination is going to be. That can change over time. I'd like to emphasize that it's good to know which way we are going, but as we are moving along the path, our desire changes with us, because we have more understanding, more life experience, more questions are being asked. So by the time we get very close to our destination, we might actually change the direction altogether. But we still have to have some sort of ideas of which way we are going. Otherwise, our GPS is going to get lost all the time. So when we talk about goal setting, try to find something more tangible, something positive, and say, this is what I want, this is my direction, and then focus there and forget about the lack of things, forget about the things you don't want, focus on what you do want,